acid base theories. First one is an Arrhenius theory. According to Arrhenius theory, what is meant by acid? The compound which contains the H plus ions is an acid, and base, the compound which contains the OH minus ions, that is called as a base, according to Arrhenius theory. Okay. Then next one is an Bronsted theory. According to Bronsted theory, acid means the compound which donates the H plus ions, called as an acid.
Yes, sir.
And base, the compound which can accept the H plus ion, that is called as a base. Both the two theories nearly similar, but third one is an Lewis theory are totally different.
Lewis,
According to Lewis theory, acid is an
acceptor.
lone pair of electron, accept the lone pair of electron, and base is an substance that donate the lone pair of electron. Okay, clear? Any doubt in acid and base? No doubt. Very good. Then next one is an amphoteric nature of water. What is the amphoteric nature of water? यस, पानी रे पानी तेरा रंग कैसा, जिसमें मिला है उसके जैसा. दैट इज एम्फोटेरिक नेचर ऑफ वाटर. ओके, इज एन एम्फोटेरिक नेचर ऑफ वाटर. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज एन आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ एसिड एंड बेस. सो कल हमने एग्जांपल्स बहुत सारे देखे हैं आयोनाइजेशन एसिड एंड बेस के, बराबर है. डिसोसिएट इनटू देयर आयंस, एसिड एंड बेस, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस आर completely dissociate into their ions. For example, HCl dissociate into H plus and Cl minus. Then base, for example, KOH dissociate into K plus and OH minus ions. Salts dissociate, KCl dissociate into K plus Cl minus ion. Then cuprous chloride or copper chloride, CuCl2 dissociate into Cu2 plus twice Cl minus. Is an ionization of acid and base. Okay. Then next one point is an dissociation constant. Dissociation constant of acid and base. Dissociation constant of weak acid and weak base. Dissociation constant of weak acid and weak base. So here we consider an HA is an weak acid. HA consider as an weak acid. Why HA? H, that is H plus. A for acid, the compound which contains the H plus, that is called as an acid. So here we consider a HA is an weak acid. Okay, that dissociate into its ions. Weak acid represented by double-headed arrow. Weak acid always represented, dissociation of weak acid represented by the double-headed arrow, because double-headed arrow meaning as a equilibrium position. Equilibria reach only in a weak acid and weak base, not in a strong acid and strong base. For example, here HCl not represented as H plus Cl minus. Yes, H plus HCl not represented as H plus Cl minus ion by using a double-headed arrow. Okay, because of HCl is an strong acid. HCl is an strong acid. Okay. So here we consider a HA is an weak acid represented by double-headed arrow. It means that equilibria, reach the equilibrium position between ionizable and unionizable species. To form here H plus and A minus ions. Okay, H plus and A minus ions. So dissociation constant for K. Dissociation constant, first one for a acid, K is equal to, in previous year, last year in 11th standard, there is a chemical equilibrium and having a formula, concentration of product divided by the concentration of reactant. Here the product is an concentration of H plus. Yes, Ka, K that is constant. Okay, A for acid. Dissociation constant of a acid, K is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus divided by concentration of Ha. Clear? Any doubt? Then next one is a dissociation constant for weak base. For a weak base we consider here BOH. B that is base, B for base. Base means OH minus ions. Okay, therefore BOH is a weak base. Dissociate into B plus OH minus. So dissociation constant, that is Kb, is equal to concentration of B plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of an BOH. Very good. Okay, clear? Write down fast this one. ठीक है, हे झालं dissociation constant of weak acid and weak base. Then next one point is an important point for 3 marks. Oswald dilution law for weak acid and weak base. Oswald. Oswald dilution law for weak acid 3 marks ला आत्ताच्या क्वेश्चन पेपर मध्ये क्वेश्चन आहे. ओके, आयदर वीक ऍसिड और वीक बेस दोन्ही पैकी एखादा लॉ विचारतात 3 मार्क्स ला. एक्सप्लेन ओसवाल्ड डायल्यूशन लॉ फॉर वीक ऍसिड. Explain Oswald dilution law for a weak acid. So here we consider a weak acid, that is Ha. Ha is our weak acid. Dissociate into their ions H plus A minus. Very good. Dissociate into H plus A minus ion. Okay. Therefore H plus and A minus is an dissociation factor and represented by symbol is an alpha, that is degree of dissociation. Explanation आपलं ह्याच्यात झाले solution. Want of factor and degree of dissociation. Ax plus Ax by dissociate into X A raised to M plus B Y raised to M minus. Okay, same expression. Ha dissociate into H plus and A minus. This dissociation factor is an a degree of dissociation alpha. Ha is an weak acid. Weak acid, it means that they are partially dissociate into its ions. So there is some remaining undissociate ions are present. Alpha is an a dissociate ion, is an a weak acid, so partially dissociate. So there is remaining undissociate ions are present and represented by a symbol 1 minus alpha. Here Ha, there is no coefficient, it means that 1 mole of an weak acid. From 1 mole, alpha is an dissociate particle. So 1 minus alpha is an undissociate, unionizable species. Okay? 1 minus alpha is an unionizable species and alpha is an ionizable species. So at a equilibrium position, the concentration of Ha, what is the formula of concentration? Having a symbol is an C. सांगितलेलं आहे मी ऑस्मॅटिक प्रेशरच्या वेळेस सी इज इक्वल टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ सी इज इक्वल टू हाऊ टू कॅल्क्युलेट द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ सोल्युशन. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ सोल्युशन डिपेंड्स अपॉन which factor?
Number of solute dissolved.
Yes, number of solute particles. Number of solute particles. Osmotic pressure pi. Osmotic pressure depend upon the concentration. Isotonic solution. If two solution having a same osmotic pressure, that is isotonic solution, and the solution having a same osmotic pressure, it means that their concentration is and same. CET मध्ये क्वेश्चन येईल याच्यावरती. which of the following is an isotonic solution. आपण सोल्युशनचे अजून क्वेश्चन सॉल्व केलेले नाही आहेत. ओके, या संडेला सोल्युशनवरती क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करू. थर्मो झाला आहे, थर्मो झालेला आहे. अल्कोहोल फेनॉल झालं आपलं. हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पण क्वेश्चन झालेले आहेत, सॉल्व करू. संडे सांगते, बसायचं, कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर होतील. सो concentration, osmotic pressure depend upon the concentration, and concentration depend upon the number of particles, number of moles per unit volume, that is C is equal to N upon V or C is equal to 1 upon V. C is equal to 1 upon V or C is equal to N upon V. काय झालं, क्लिअर आहे ना? So at a equilibrium position, the concentration of HA, the concentration of HA, how to calculate the concentration of HA? काय येईल फॉर्म्युला, काय येईल फॉर्म्युला HA चा? कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ HA कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ HA चे पार्टिकल्स काय आहेत? अनआयनायझेबल. 1 मायनस अल्फा, 1 minus alpha is an unionizable species, that is 1 minus alpha means N per unit volume. 1 minus alpha upon V is an concentration of HA, and here concentration of H plus is an alpha upon V, and concentration of A, that is alpha upon V. Clear? समजलं नक्की? Alpha is an dissociate particle. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That is N.
Yes, sir.
And N upon V means C. So alpha upon V is an concentration of H plus. And here alpha upon E is an concentration of A minus. And 1 minus alpha is an undissociate particle divided by volume is an concentration of HA. So according to dissociation constant Ka, K is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus divided by concentration of an HA. So put the value of concentration of H plus, that is alpha upon V, into concentration of A minus is an alpha upon V divided by concentration of HA, that is 1 minus alpha upon V. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So therefore alpha square upon V square into हे वरती जाईल. So V divided by 1 minus alpha, V get cancel. So therefore K is equal to
Alpha square upon V into 1 minus alpha.
yes,
Alpha square
yes, alpha square
V bracket मध्ये 1 minus
V into 1 minus alpha, and 1 minus alpha is an unionizable species. बरोबर? सरबत करायचं आहे आपल्याला, सरबत केलं आहे, शुगर डिझॉल्व झालेली आहे. बरोबर? काही पार्टिकल्स क्रिस्टल बॉटमला तसेच ग्लासमध्ये राहिलेले, अनडिसोसिएट पार्टिकल्स. जनरली आपण निग्लेक्ट करून टाकतो, वॉश करून टाकतो लगेच. बरोबर? एखादा असतो चमच्यानं काढून खाणार, चमच्यानं परत काढून खाणार ते पार्टिकल्स राहिले, शुगर क्रिस्टल्स. बरोबर ना? यस गर्ल्स, बॉटमला जे पार्टिकल्स राहतील ते पार्टिकल्स आपण काय करतो, दॅट इज अनडिसोसिएट पार्टिकल्स, आपण ते निग्लेक्ट करून टाकतो, वॉश करून टाकतो, बरोबर. सो हिअर 1 मायनस अल्फा इज अन अनडिसोसिएट पार्टिकल, सो कन्सिडर ॲज अन 1. ओके, त्याला काय कन्सिडर केलं 1 बिकॉज ऑफ 1 मायनस अल्फा. अनआयोनायझेबल पार्टिकल्स आर व्हेरी फ्यू, देअर क्वांटिटी आर व्हेरी लेस as compared to dissociate. Okay, therefore consider as a 1. Therefore k is equal to alpha square upon v. K is equal to alpha square upon v. Therefore alpha is equal to under root k into v. Correct. And second equation, 1 upon v, that is c. Therefore k is equal to alpha square into c. Therefore alpha is equal to under root k upon c. K upon c. This one is an Ostwald dilution law for an weak acid. These are the two expressions of Ostwald dilution law of an weak acid. Okay. So according to this expression, the statement of an Ostwald dilution law for weak acid, the degree of dissociation alpha is directly proportional to the square root of its volume and inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration. Okay, clear?
No sir.
Any doubt?
No sir.
Any doubt in equation?
No sir.
Write down first Ostwald dilution law for weak acid. The degree of dissociation is directly proportional to the square root of its volume and inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration, and inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration. Okay. Then next one is an Ostwald dilution law for weak base. Same as per to weak acid, only change the symbols. Here weak base, we consider for weak base BOH. That dissociate into B plus OH minus. So here 1 minus alpha is an unionizable species and alpha is an ionizable species. Okay, same here at a equilibrium position, the concentration of BOH is an 1 minus alpha upon V. Concentration of B plus is also alpha upon V, and concentration of OH is also alpha upon V. Only change here this equation. Dissociation constant for weak base Kb is equal to concentration of B plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of BOH. Then put the value of here and same expression here, only change the symbol. A च्या तिथं काय येईल B. Ostwald dilution law for weak base. मीन्स ॲसिडचं एक्सप्रेशन करून ठेवलं आणि बेसचं विचारलं, तर थोडंसं एचं बी करून टाकायचं. ओके, राईट डाऊन. ऑटो आयनायझेशन ऑफ वॉटर. Auto ionization of water. If two water molecules combine together, H2O plus H2O, then to form oxygen having a lone pair of electron, they attack on this H2O, that is H plus OH minus ions. This oxygen, lone pair of oxygen attack on this H plus ions to form here H3O plus and plus OH minus. H3O plus OH minus. Clear? Any doubt? H2O on oxygen atom there is a lone pair of electron. काल explain केले lone pair of electron having an extra electron, they have a ability to form an extra bond. So oxygen attack on this hydrogen to form here H3, formation of here H3O plus and remaining OH minus. Clear? Then according to dissociation constant, K is equal to concentration of product, that is concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of H2O into H2O, that is H2O square. Concentration of reactant H2O into H2O, that is H2O square. Clear? समझ लो. Then here concentration of H2O square, concentration of H2O square is considered as a K dash. Why? Why we take the constant K for the concentration of water? Undissociated. Water is a neutral compound, so their concentration is considered as a constant K dash. Clear? समझ लो. Therefore K is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus divided by K dash. Therefore K into K dash is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus, and here K into K dash, K into K dash is considered as an ionic product of water Kw. K into K dash is an ionic product of water Kw. So therefore Kw is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus ions is equal to concentration of H3O plus, it means that concentration of H plus ion, concentration of H plus ion having a value, constant value 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7, and here also concentration of OH minus ion having a value is also 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7. Therefore Kw is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus is equal to base same, so 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 40. That is auto ionization of water. The concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus, Kw, auto ionization of water having a value 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 14. Concentration of H plus constant value 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7, and also concentration of OH minus having a value is also constant, that is 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7. So 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 1.0 into 10 raised to minus, base same है, वरची काय होणार ॲडिशन 10⁻⁻14. सो KW ची व्हॅल्यू फायनली KW इज इक्वल टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H plus into concentration of OH minus is equal to 1.0 into 10⁻⁻14. Clear? समझला? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Write down fast. Define pH. Next one point is very important. Define pH and pOH. Definition विचारतील. pH. pH that is potential of H plus ion. Potential of an H plus ion or power of H plus ion or the concentration of H plus ion is an pH.
Yes, sir.
ओके आपण pH कॅल्क्युलेट करतो प्रत्येक कंपाऊंडचा सबस्टन्सचा. तुम्ही प्रिझर्वेटिंग फूड आपण यूज करतो, ड्रग्ज असतील मेडिसिन असतील, प्रत्येक ह्याच्यावर त्याचा pH लिहिलेला असतो. pH लिहिलेला असतो, pH बॅलन्स केलेला असतो, मेंटेन केलेला असतो pH. त्यामुळे ते प्रिझर्वेटिंग फूड खराब होत नाही. त्याची एक्सपायरी डेट असते, त्या एक्सपायरी डेटपर्यंत त्याचा pH कॉन्स्टंट राहतो. pH जर चेंज झाला ते फूड काय होतं खराब होतं. ओके सो pH दॅट इज पॉवर ऑफ और पोटेन्शियल ऑफ एन H प्लस आयन. pH इज एन पोटेन्शियल ऑफ H प्लस आयन. डिफाइन करायला विचारतील. डिफाइन pH. Define pH. So the definition of pH is an negative log to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ion is an pH.
Why, sir?
Negative log to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ions is an pH. Is an definition of pH. Yes.
Definition आहे.
Yes.
पहिल्यांदा बघितलं अशा विषयात.
And pOH. Negative log to the base 10 of concentration of OH minus ion
अरे समजलं सर.
is an pOH. Is the definition of pH and pOH. Negative log to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ions is called as a pH, and pOH is an negative log to the base 10 of concentration of OH minus ion is called as a pOH. Define म्हणले की हेच लिहायचं आहे तुम्हाला
बस
1 मार्क साठी.
एक मार्क फिक्स आहे.
ओके.
Yes, sir.
हे ना बरं.
निगेटिव्ह लॉग टू द बेस 10. लॉग टू द बेस 10 मीन्स आपण जे लॉग टेबलमध्ये ज्या व्हॅल्यूज बघतोय त्या लॉग टू द बेस 10 साठी. समजलं? वेगळं काय नाही तर लॉग टू द बेस 10. निगेटिव्ह लॉग टू द बेस 10 ऑफ कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस इज एन pH, and negative log to the base 10 of concentration of OH minus is an pOH. Either definition विचारतील or the either next one point is an relation between pH and pOH for 2 marks. IMP point, relation between pH and pOH, either definition or either this one point, relation between pH and pOH. So according to auto ionization of water, KW is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus is equal to value 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 14. Okay, clear? Means concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 14. Taking log on both sides. Taking a log on both sides. Negative log to the both sides. So negative log to the base 10 of concentration of H3O plus into OH minus, that is negative log to the base 10 of concentration of OH minus is equal to having negative log, that is plus 14, and negative log to the base 10 of concentration of BH plus, that is called as a pH, and negative log to the base 10 of concentration of OH minus called as a pOH. Therefore pH plus pOH is equal to 14. This is the relation between PH and POH for a 2 marks. Okay? Any doubt? No doubt? Very good. Write down fast.